Hello, my name is Oscar Mogollón Fajardo. I am a business administration student at UNAD. I send you a cordial greeting and take the opportunity to express my deep worry about the few efforts being made to reduce environmental pollution and the effects of climate change. I think technological advances have had positive and negative effects on the environment. For example, data digitization technologies have reduced papers manufacturing. Cars are actually reproduced to work with renewable energies that have helped to reduce pollution despite war style use energy based on gas or nuclear energy. Thanks to Paris Agreement, we look forward investment in renewable energy, such as wind, solar, thermal energy, or bioenergy. Unfortunately, population growth added to natural resources, short stage such as forests, and the water source and the sad extinction of animals have had an increasing impact on the environment and global warming, based on the experiment use non-renewable energy and the consumption of meat that have been scientifically qualified and the negative factor in global warming. I think an important respect to reduce climate change is to create and support agreements between governments and global entities such as ONU, OEA, and the European Union that create policies to invest in technologies that solve effects of climate change and sustainable development. I think it is necessary ONU gearing in the attention on promoting and giving more support to the Paris Agreement, which is an international treaty on climate change and which started rule on November 4, 2016, but has not given the expected result. About my point of view, I consider environmental damage has already been done. We can only join forces throughout the planet to begin to reserve the impact on future generations. Thank you. Bye.